if you allow that part to have any access to your intelligent decisions, then you will at some point choose, yeah, I've got these Allen coins. I'm going to store a bunch away. I want to take half of them and see if I can have some fucking fun. Please. Because in that having fun and using and relating to and interacting with this new technology, your life will be enriched in ways you never dreamed. Your happiness will be fulfilled in ways that a Lambo can't possibly do. But it's up to you. And it's up to you now. Because really there's no other time. If you can't decide now to do something, I promise you won't decide tomorrow. You have the opportunity to take what I have said, let it sink in, and then choose. McAfee is full of bullshit. It's okay. Or maybe McAfee has something to say. That's okay too. Or I wish he'd shut the fuck up because I'm bored and hungry. I don't care. But at least listen for a moment. Not just to me, but to your own hearts, your minds, your entire beings. And I'm going to open it up to questions now, if you have any.
You're recommending that effectively we need to express behavioral psychology in code in order to go from an I mindset to a we mindset, right?
Well, you know, I don't know about code, okay, or behavior psychology is not my field, my friend. We have to understand what human nature is. Let's start here. Who are we? We're a mixed bag. Everybody here has experienced love at some point because all of you are over the age of 12. Is that true? Anyone not experienced love? Yes. You've experienced caring, grace, happiness, dreams and hopes. And that's a beautiful package. But for every element of this package, you got another package. Grace and generosity, greed, compassion, jealousy, love, fear, hope, and on and on. What are we? We are hateful. We are greedy. We are jealous. We are angry. We are fearful. That's this package. Over here, we are loving. We are kind, gracious, embracing, hopeful. You can't get rid of this side. And you can't live totally in this side. We are a mixed bag. Let's start with there. Now, ask you a question again, my friend. And then I'll answer it.
So let me rephrase that. We are, as a species, evolving through different stages of
Yeah, much better.
Psychological
Yes.
evolution. We're right now at the cusp of going
Yes.
I mindset,
Yes.
mindset of
Yes.
scarcity to a we mindset of
Yes.
mindset of
Yes.
abundance, right?
Yes.
In order to accelerate that, in order to actually create a digital backbone for this mindset, we need to go beyond just the current blockchain
Yes.
technology and build another layer on top of that that is
Yes.
accounting for this evolutionary step.
Right. And let me phrase this a little differently. We are at, you said the word, the cusp, at a balancing point, where we have a choice. For the first time in the evolution of life on this planet, the human intellect can be put into play to determine what our next evolutionary step is. History. Well, let's look at history. What is history? History is a series of lies, starting with the first written word by the first conqueror of the first subjected civilization. Because history is written by whom? The conquerors. Now, sometimes history is obliterated by the conquerors. The Spanish, when they came to the eastern coast of Mexico, they met the Mayan civilization and found hundreds of thousands of written works of beautiful art. What did they do to cherish that, to preserve it? They burned all but 4 books. Why? They were ungodly, unchristian.